Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy English Speaking. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mark. And today we're doing something a little different.
We're not just going to talk about English today.
We're going to work out.
Not at the gym, don't worry. We're talking about training your mouth to speak English.
Because here's something most people don't realize. Speaking English isn't just a brain problem. It's a physical problem too.
Your lips, your tongue, your jaw, they all need training. And if they haven't been trained for English sounds specifically, speaking feels slow, unclear, and exhausting.
I felt this firsthand. When I started speaking English seriously, I knew all the words, but my mouth just wouldn't cooperate.
Same. It's like knowing the song, but your fingers can't play it on the guitar yet.
Perfect analogy. So today, we're giving you a full mouth training system. Warm-ups, sound drills, tongue twisters, shadowing, and a daily routine you can actually stick to.
Whether you're A2, B1, or B2, this episode is going to change how you practice speaking.
Let's get into it. Exercise 1. Why your mouth needs training.
Okay, Mark, let's start with the big question. Why do English learners struggle to speak clearly even when they know the language?
Great starting point. So most people blame vocabulary. I don't know enough words. Or they blame grammar. My tenses aren't perfect.
But that's rarely the real problem.
Right. The real problem is muscle memory. Or more specifically, the lack of it.
Explain that for our listeners.
Okay, so think about it this way. Every language uses a specific set of mouth movements. Your native language has trained your lips, tongue, and jaw to move in certain ways automatically since childhood.
And English has completely different movements.
Exactly. So when you try to speak English, your mouth is still moving in your native language patterns. That's why certain sounds come out wrong. That's why you feel slow. Your mouth muscles literally haven't been trained for English yet.
I love this explanation because it removes the blame from the learner. It's not that you're bad at English, your mouth just hasn't done the workout yet.
Exactly. And just like going to the gym, with the right exercises done consistently, your mouth will adapt. It will get faster and clearer.
So the question is, what are those exercises? That's what we're covering today.
Exercise 2. The sounds that trip everyone up. Before we get to exercises, let's identify the problem sounds. Sarah, what are the ones you hear learners struggle with most?
Oh, easy. Number 1, the th sound, as in think or this. Most languages don't have this sound at all.
Right, so learners substitute it. Think becomes tink or sink.
Exactly. And the fix is actually simple once you know it. Your tongue has to go between your teeth, not behind them, between them, like this. Think.
It feels weird at first.
Super weird, but practice it 20 times a day and within a week it starts feeling natural.
What's number 2?
The R sound, especially for Spanish, Portuguese, Arabic, and Asian language speakers. English R is very specific. Your tongue curls slightly backward and doesn't touch anything in your mouth.
Let me demonstrate the wrong way and the right way. Wrong, red. Right, red.
Hear the difference? The English R is almost lazy. It's soft and smooth.
Number 3 on my list, the V and W sounds. So many learners mix these up.
Oh, yes. Very becomes wary. Wine becomes vine.
So for V, your top teeth touch your bottom lip. Feel that vibration? V.
And for W, no teeth. Just round your lips like you're about to whistle. Woo.
Try it right now wherever you're listening. V, woo, v, woo.
These tiny distinctions make a huge difference in how clear your English sounds.
Exercise 3, the warm-up routine. Okay, Sarah, let's get practical. Walk us through a proper mouth warm-up.
So this is something I actually do before any recording or important conversation. Takes about 3 minutes. Here we go.
Listeners, do this with us if you can.
Step 1, lip stretches. Say these 5 sounds slowly and exaggerate each one. Ah, E, O, U, A. Do that sequence 5 times in a row.
You look ridiculous doing it, but it works.
You really do. Step 2, tongue circles. Slowly move your tongue around the inside of your lips in a big circle, 5 times clockwise, then 5 the other way.
This loosens the tongue, which is honestly the most important muscle for speaking.
Step 3. Jaw drops. Open your mouth as wide as comfortable, then slowly close, 5 times. This relaxes your jaw so you stop clenching when you speak, which is a huge problem for nervous speakers.
I used to clench my jaw so badly when speaking English, my face would hurt after conversations.
So many people do this without realizing. The jaw needs to be relaxed and open for English to flow naturally.
3 minutes. Lips, tongue, jaw. Every morning.
Or right before you speak English, you'll notice immediately how much looser and clearer your speech feels.
Exercise 4. Tongue twisters that actually help. Alright, now the fun part. Tongue twisters.
Tongue twisters people think are just games, but they're actually one of the most powerful pronunciation tools out there.
Because they force your mouth to move quickly between difficult sounds, which is exactly what fast English conversation requires.
So we picked 3 tongue twisters that target the most common problem areas.
Number 1. For th and s sounds. The 33 thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout Thursday.
Try it slowly first, then faster, then as fast as you can while staying clear.
Number 2. For r and l sounds. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Sounds simple, but try saying it 10 times fast.
Red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry. See? Incredibly difficult, but that difficulty is the training.
Number 3 for V and W. Whether the weather is warm, whether the weather is hot, we have to put up with the weather, whether we like it or not.
The goal isn't perfection. The goal is repetition. Every time you stumble, your mouth is learning.
Do 1 tongue twister a day for 1 week, just 1. You'll be shocked at how quickly your mouth adapts.
Okay, Mark, let's talk about shadowing, because I think this is the single most powerful technique for mouth training.
Agreed, and it's underused because people think it sounds too simple.
So for listeners who don't know, shadowing means you listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say immediately, not after, at the same time almost, like a shadow following a person.
You're copying their speed, their rhythm, their mouth movements, essentially.
Here's why it works so well. When you shadow, you don't have time to overthink. You can't stop to translate. You can't check grammar. You just speak.
Which is exactly what real conversation requires.
Let me show you. I'll say a sentence as a native speaker would. Mark, shadow me. And listeners, shadow Mark. I'm gonna head out in a minute. You wanna come?
I'm gonna head out in a minute. You wanna come?
Notice how Mark copied not just the words, but the rhythm, the way gonna sounds, the way it flows together.
That's what you're training, not just words, the music of English.
Do this every day, 5 minutes. Find a YouTube video, a podcast, a Netflix show. Pause every sentence, shadow it, move on.
The results in 1 month are unbelievable.
Okay, Sarah, let's put it all together into something our listeners can actually do every day.
So here's the easy English-speaking mouth training routine. 10 minutes total, no excuses.
Walk us through it.
Minutes 1 to 2, mouth warm-up. Lips, tongue, jaw. We covered this.
Minutes 2 to 4, problem sound drills. Pick one sound you struggle with. TH, R, V, W, whatever it is. Drill it with single words for 2 minutes straight.
Just 1 sound per day so you don't overwhelm yourself.
Minutes 4 to 6, tongue twister. Pick one of the 3 we shared. Say it slowly 3 times, then fast 3 times, then as fast as possible 3 times.
Minutes 6 to 8, useful phrase repetition. Take 5 phrases you need in real life and say each one 10 times naturally. Something like, could you say that again? I'm not sure I understand. What do you mean by that? Let me think about it. That's a great point.
These are phrases that come up all the time in real English. If they're already automatic in your mouth, your conversations flow so much better.
Minutes 8 to 10, shadowing. 1 short video clip. Shadow 3 to 5 sentences, done.
10 minutes every day. That's the whole routine. And here's the key. Consistency beats intensity. 10 minutes every day destroys 2 hours once a week.
All right, listeners, let's practice right now together.
We're going to do a quick drill. Sarah will say a sentence naturally, then I'll say it, then you repeat it out loud wherever you are. Don't be shy.
Sentence 1. I was thinking about going out this weekend.
I was thinking about going out this weekend. 5-second pause.
Good. Notice how thinking about links together. Not two separate words, one smooth sound.
Sentence 2. She told me she wasn't ready yet.
She told me she wasn't ready yet.
5-second pause.
Focus on that TH in she and the. Light, natural.
Last one. This one's faster. What are you going to do about it? What you going to do about it? 5-second pause.
In natural speech, that sounds like what you gonna do about it. But practicing both versions teaches your mouth the full range.
If you did those 3, you just trained your mouth. That's what it feels like. Easy, right?
Now imagine doing that for 10 minutes every day. The progress adds up fast.
All right, let's bring today home. Sarah, biggest takeaway.
Speaking English clearly isn't just about knowing English. It's about training your mouth to produce English. And like any physical training, it takes repetition, consistency, and patience. But it absolutely works.
For me, the biggest thing today is the warm-up. I never warmed up before speaking, and it made such a difference when I started. 3 minutes. Lips, tongue, jaw. Do it.
And your homework, pick just one thing from today's episode. The warm-up, one tongue twister, or 5 minutes of shadowing. Start there, build from there.
Don't try to do everything at once. One habit at a time.
Leave us a comment and tell us which sound is hardest for you right now. TH, R, V, and W? We want to know.
And if this episode helped you even a little, share it with one friend who's also learning English. Help them train their mouth too.
Thank you so much for being here. We'll see you in the next episode.
Keep practicing.
Keep seeing you on Easy English Speaking.